Every year, about 1/3 of all food produced for human consumption is wasted. That's roughly 1.3 billion tons of food, enough to feed billions of people. Imagine walking into a grocery store and seeing shelves lined with perfectly good food, only to have it tossed in the trash. It's shocking, right? But this isn't just a problem of food being thrown away. It's a massive environmental crisis that we can no longer ignore. When food is wasted, it doesn't just disappear. It ends up in landfills, where it decomposes and produces methane, a greenhouse gas that is 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide over a 100-year period. In fact, food waste contributes to about 8 to 10% of global greenhouse gas emissions. That's like taking all the cars off the road for a year. The resources that go into producing food are staggering. From water and land to energy and labor, every bite we waste represents a significant environmental cost. For instance, it takes about 1,800 gallons of water to produce just 1 pound of beef. When that beef is wasted, all that water is wasted too. And let's not forget about the pesticides and fertilizers that can pollute our soil and waterways, all for food that never gets eaten. But it's not just about the environment. It's also about social justice. In a world where millions go hungry every day, wasting food is a moral failure. We have the means to feed everyone, yet we throw away enough food to fill the stomachs of those in need. Organizations like food banks and community kitchens work tirelessly to redistribute surplus food, but they can't do it alone. We need to change our mindset about food and recognize its true value. So, what can we do? Start by being mindful of our own consumption. Plan your meals, make shopping lists, and stick to them. Get creative with leftovers. Turn them into new dishes instead of letting them languish in the fridge. Composting is another great way to reduce waste. It turns food scraps into nutrient-rich soil, which can help grow more food. We can also support local farmers and markets. Buying in smaller quantities can help reduce excess and ensure that we're consuming what we purchase. And let's advocate for better food policies that address waste at every level, from production to consumption. Food waste is an environmental crisis, but it's also an opportunity for change. By being more conscious of our choices, we can make a significant impact. Let's work together to turn this crisis into a chance for a more sustainable future. After all, every bite counts.